What's up, family? It's your boy, Pastor Dre, and you are tuned in to Behind the Scenes with Gospel Swag. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. Right now, I'm working on a jersey. Let me load it up for you here, real quick. 1 second. Let me just load it up for you. Hold on. We'll get it for you now. Just 1 second, fam. Load it up. All right, here we go. All right. So, this is the jersey that I'm working on right here. Let me get out the way. Okay, this is the jersey I'm working on. Let me show you a few parts. This is the front part here. This is also another shot of the front part. You got the back part here, Team Jesus 24. That's the year Gospel Swag was established. Once again, got the slant, the straight bottom. I want to ask you some questions later on, see what you guys think. But that's what we got for now. Also in the back, we got Team Jesus 24, Gospel Swag Athletics. And then we got here the front again. And then here's the front with the left arm showing, left sleeve, which we got the logo, and it says swag plus gospel right there. And then we got Team Jesus, the back, and that's the front. All right, so I'm gonna go to the design right now. What I'm not for sure, I want to see you guys think. This is how I dropped it into Printful. You can design your own clothes. Let me show it real quick. Hold up. If you're looking for a place, oh, that's pretty cool. I like that. If you're looking for a place like to start your own clothing brand, Printful is the way to go. You want to start a clothing brand for your church, Printful's the way to go. You can have your own church clothing brand. That's fire. But that's what you can do. Without getting into a lot of details, this shirt right here, this jersey, is what we made over at Gospel Swag. So you could do stuff like this for your church, your business, your youth ministry, your singles ministry. You can create your own shirts. You're having a revival, discipleship. Prayerful is the way to go. I'll put a link in the description. If you sign up using my link, I'll get some credit. But right now, this is the design. So we're in the front. So my question that I have is, I have this design right here, right? So what I was thinking, hold on 1 second. Let me just get a sip of water. Here's what I was thinking. I have a few options, okay? I got the option of making it straight on the bottom, or this option right here is slanted. I want to see which one you guys like the best. I'll do the slanted one now. Let me just load it up. Okay. If you don't know where I made this design, I made it in Adobe Illustrator. You can create your own designs and upload them there. Okay, so let me move this one out the way. So that's the straight bottom one. This is the slanted bottom one. Okay, boom. So let me just show you how it looks on the mock-up. So that's how it looks. Ooh, that's fire. Ooh, that kind of looks fire though. All right, well, I want to see what you think. Of course, you could bring it up and all that, but I just want to see what you guys want as far as the design. I could do the alignment and all that later. So once again, this is the front part with the circle, okay? And I'm going to show you the front part without the circle, just straight bottom, okay? So let me take this out and bring it back over. And then type it in the comment section, which one you guys like the best. So let's bring this one up here, show you the design with the straight bottom. And we do it like that. Of course, we could bring it up a little bit more. I like it a little bit higher, kind of like that. This is a football jersey, like a net jersey. It's fire. So that's how it would look with the straight bottom. Ooh, that was pretty decent too. I'd probably go in and just shrink it a little, maybe shrink this a little bit, just a tad bit like that. So then it still spreads out through the top of the jersey. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, I don't know, family. So which one you think? Circle bottom, straight bottom. Okay, so that's the front. Here's the back. Let me just show you the back. We got the 24. Once again, that's the year that Gospel Swag was established. And then right here, we got Gospel Swag Athletics. So let me show you the back. There it is right there. And we got Team Jesus right there. 24, Gospel Swag Athletics. Okay, so that's the back. Let me show you some more. That's fire, family. That's fire. You could write that'll spark some conversations right there, right? So okay, once again, that's the back there. It's cool. Boom, that's the back. Boom. Okay. And then what we did is we went in the right sleeve. We just kind of left it blank. There's nothing in the right sleeve. Left sleeve, we did put our logo right here, and it says swag plus gospel. Let me see if I can make it bigger for you so you can see it. Yeah, there you go. All right, there it is. It's a logo. Is that centered? Let me see. It doesn't look centered. Let me see. No, that's not centered. Okay, boom. This one. Make sure it's centered. Okay, that's centered. All right. That's what we put there. We put swag gospel, which is fire, and then the logo. So that is on the right sleeve, I believe it is. Yeah, that's the right sleeve. So let me show you the mock-up, which is right. No, it's the left, sorry. Yeah, left sleeve, my bad. So there it is, right there. Boom. You can see it there. And then after that, we did the yoke, which is where your name goes. So we put Team Jesus there. I thought of different things, but I went with Team Jesus. I think that's the best thing to spark a conversation. I mean, there's probably other things too, but that's what I went with. All right. So we put that here. That's where you got Team Jesus, which is fire. That's fire. I mean, you could put something else. You could put gospel swag, put Psalms 24. You could put established 24, because that's the year that gospel swag was established. But to spark some conversations, Team Jesus is going to spark some conversation, right? Somebody standing in line, standing in back of you in line at Pick and Pay, ShopRite, Alpha Beta, Lucky's, In-N-Out Burger, McDonald's, ABSA. Come on, somebody, Bank of America. Come on now. You're standing on the bus, waiting at the bus stop. Come on, waiting for the taxi. Somebody is going to see the back of that and probably start a conversation with you, right? So I think Team Jesus is the best way to start some conversations. I mean, there's other ways too, but like I said, that's the way that I went with. All right. So let me see what else we had. We had the Yoke Team Jesus, and then we got the outside label front, which is on the bottom of the jersey. I'll show you that now, which is right here. That's on the front right there. Boom. So we put established 24. Let me make it so you can see it. Let's see if I get bigger here. How do I make it big? Oh, I got to go to the design. My bad. So if I go to, oh, you won't be able to see it. Yeah. Well, anyways, let me just go to the mock-up and kind of show it to you. If you see right here on the bottom, there, it's going to say established 24 right there. You can't really see it because it's small, but it's fire, So it'll be there, established 4, established 24. So that is the outside label front. And we got outside label back. And what we did on that is we just typed in spreading the gospel action. I'll show you that one. That one's right here. No, I'm sorry. We'll put gospel swag athlete. So that's the outside label back. We put gospel swag athletics. That's fire, fam. This jersey is fire. My God. So let me know what you guys think. As far as the front, should we go with the slanted front? With the circle, like I showed you at first, the slanted bottom or the straight bottom. Even with the yoke, you got any ideas what we could put? I know Team Jesus is fire, but we could spark conversations with something else too, maybe established, maybe Psalms. If you got any ideas, type it in the comment section. And then anything else, any other ideas you might have, we're going to drop this. It's going to be a drop coming soon. If you want to be alerted when we drop it, type it in the comment section and I'll connect with you. Okay. Yeah, just type, let me know when it's going to drop, and then I'll reply to you, and I'll let you know how to get a hold of me. All right. So, yeah, family, I think that's pretty much it. So let me just some mock-ups now. Let me see if I can download these mock-ups. Let me load them up for you here. Let me see if I can load them up for you. Let's see. Okay, there we go. I think that's it. Let me see. Can I put them up there? Let's see here. We'll try to download it for you so you can actually see. Just give me a second here. Give me 1 second. Let me see if I can share them with you. 1 second, fam. 1 second. All right. Let's see. See if I can share them with you. Boom, boom. Entire screen. Tab. Let's see. I don't know if it's going to allow me to share it with you. Yeah. I was going to try to show you the pictures of the jersey. Like I downloaded them. Let me see if I do it. 1 second. No, 1 second. If I go to here. Okay, boom there. And already loaded that up. Let me see. Can I share that? Let me see. Oh, that looks fire too. Let me see if I can share it with you. Hold on. Okay, fam, let me check something real quick. Hold on. Oh, images. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let me try it out. I think I got it, family. All right, so let me show it to you. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I think I got it. I'm not for sure, but let me check. Let me see. Image dimensions must be 1920. Oh, okay. Bummer. Yeah, it says it must be a certain dimension. That's a bummer. They want to hang out with me while I make it 19. What is it? Let me see. 1920 by 1080. Let me see if I can resize this thing. This is fire. I got to show it to you, family. Oh, I see. 19. We're going to make this 1920 by 1080. Yeah, I got to show you this thing. I got to show it to you. 1920 by 1080. Let's see, bro. I got to show it to you, fam. I got to. Okay, so let's see. We got to show it to you. Let's see, downloads. Let's just call it. I'm just doing it real quick. Give me a few seconds. I call it Jersey. I'm going to show it to you. I got to show it to you, fam. All right, here we go. Okay, go to downloads. I think I got it. Image dimensions must 1920 by 1080 or less. I got to figure out how to show you this thing. Is fire. It looks fire. Oh, wait. I think I got an idea. Okay, go to mockups. I know what to do. Fam. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to go here. Go to download mockups. There we go. Ooh, it's fire. That's how it looks with them. That's how it looks. Isn't that fire? That's fire right there. Isn't that fire? What you guys think? It's all right. Then you can take a look at all the different ones. Let me see. Let me move this here. Okay. So you got that right there. You got ghost mock-up. You got the flat mock-up. You got the collage. You got the men's one right there. That one. It's fire. Okay. So there you go. I showed it to you. It's not as big as I wanted to show it to you. But hey, it's fire. So these are what I would use like to promote the drop. So let's see if I can make it bigger for you. Make it bigger. Okay. Oh no, that's not making it bigger. Let me see. I'm gonna try to make it bigger for you. Hold on. We talking. So there we go. That's how it looks, fam. Right there. That's it. That's fire, right? That looks fire. All right, families. I'm about to bounce. Thank you for stopping by. Once again, let me know if you guys want to go with straight bottom here or the circle bottom. Type it in the comments section. It's your boy Pastor Dre. Thanks for tuning in. God bless.